enough? Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could